sorry, in the English. Okay. What do you mean by relation? Simple things.
Cartesian product of the two sets के बीच का
Okay.
ऐसे
That is the, you know something about the Cartesian product. Before the Cartesian product,
range
that is the set.
हाँ set
Okay, with before this, we start what is the, okay, this is in your syllabus. Okay, the topic allotted to be relation.
you only got the relation or bulk math
Relation.
only relation
Relation, only relation. Okay, and that is a syllabus in your IIT. This is the given relation and types of the relation and equivalence relation. Okay. Okay. Before this, okay, we will discuss set. Simple thing. What do you mean the set?
collection of well-defined
Collections of
object.
well-defined object. Collections of well-defined object. This is the correct or some improvements?
the collection of well-defined different objects
Okay, different objects. Okay. Set means that is a well-defined. Okay, a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Objects is called the set. Now here the a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Total working in the well-defined. आप लोग को प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होती? Well-defined and second thing is the distinct object. What do you mean the well-defined?
same for sir everyone sir मतलब in everyone this
Okay, here is
common
Okay, that is here is no ambiguity to define. Okay, no ambiguity to define, because if you say this is the sorry, intelligence. Okay, intelligence, this is the well defined or not? Not okay. There are different, and second thing is the distinct objects. Okay, distinct object means there is no repetitions. Okay, there is no repetitions. For example, suppose A equal to, oh sorry, 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, and 3. This is the set. Okay, okay. This is the there is no repetitions and anything, and this is the and you also know the set can be represented. Okay, this is set, that is the basics. Okay, this topic is not allotted to me. I will start from here. What is the relation and different types of the relation and equivalence relation. Yes.
one question in my mind is that you have taught whole math or simply this topic only
Sorry, in the present time, relation.
after
Okay, 2 classes in relation and then 1 class. And then, sorry, this is the 3 days schedule. And then they continue other
okay
classes.
only 3 days confirm
Okay, yes, 3 days. Okay, today and tomorrow, relations and then function.
fine sir
Mean this is a set. Okay, this is the set.
Yes, sir.
And you can, sorry, you also know that set is represented in the different way. That is the one is roster
tablet
tablets,
or roster form
and second thing is the set. Okay, builder. Okay, you can also define the sorry, set, subsets, and
Yes, sir.
some operations on the set.
okay
Okay, you also know that here working in the mathematics, you have also studied that set, relation, and function. Okay, 3 topics are interrelated. Okay, 3 topics are the interrelated. Okay. Now question is that we have defined the set. Okay, and you have the different type of the sorry set. Suppose you have a set A equal to this contains 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you have another set. Suppose this is the A, B, C. Okay, this is the finite set. Numbers of elements in this set is the finite, and coordinate T. Okay, numbers of elements in this set only 3 and 3. Okay, that is the numbers of elements. This is denote the cardinality of the set. Cardinality of
Number
the
of
set.
elements in the cell.
This is the denoted numbers of. Okay, numbers of elements. Okay. Now quantity of A, this is the 3, and quantity of B equal to also 3. Okay. Now here you have two sets. Okay. Now can we obtain the new set from these two sets?
Yes, sir.
Can we obtain the new set from these two sets? Okay. That is the if you find a Cartesian products. Okay. Cartesian products of two sets is defined as A cross B, and this is defined as AB such that A belongs to A belongs to A, and B belongs to set B. Okay, means we have the two sets, and then we find a new set, and this is the Cartesian products of the two sets. Okay. Here A and B. Yes. A and B, that is the first element belong to set A, second element belong to set B. Okay. Now if numbers of elements, okay, if numbers of elements, suppose A equal to m elements, and suppose B equal to n elements. Okay. Then what is the quadrility of A Cartesian products of B? Then how many elements?
M into N.
That is the m element. Okay. Now, okay, we obtain the new set from the two sets. Okay. Now relations. We will discuss what is the relation. Can we find the relation between these two sets? Okay. That is the relation. Okay. Can we find relation? Okay. That is the connections between these two sets. Can we find the connection or relation? That is the relation between the sets. Okay, usually that can we find the relation between the sets. Suppose if you define a set, okay, this is the main goal. Suppose if you define the set A equal to 1, 3, and 5, and B equal to, that is the 1, 9, and 25. Okay, this is the two set. This contain only 3 elements, 1, 2, 3, 5, and B contain the 9, 5. Mean B is the square of the A. Okay, can we relate this with 1? Okay, if you here a notations, that is the R. 1 R 1 and 3 R 9 and 5 R 25. Okay, that is the square. Okay, mean this is the square. Actually, this R. Okay, mean this is like the relations. Okay, which type of the relation? That is the square. Okay, now what is the Cartesian products of these two? AB, A cross B, that is the mean how many elements in this case? Yes.
9 elements will be there.
Yes. That is the A, B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Okay. Now in this case, if you find the ordered pairs, you can write in this case that is the ordered pair.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you write this, that is the R equal to means 1 and 1 and 3 and 9 and 5 and 25. Okay. Now in this case, R is the subset of
A cross B.
A cross B. R is the subset of
A cross B.
And this is the concept of the relations. Okay. In this way, we can define the relation is nothing but this is the subset of the Cartesian products. Okay. You can denote in the different way. एक्चुअली मुझे कुछ प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं था, कल से मैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लूँगा, ठीक है, एक प्रॉपर चैनल्स के थ्रू लूँगा, यहाँ पे जो भी होगा थ्रू द प्रोजेक्टर्स एक्सप्लेन यहाँ पे करूँगा। अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम्स हो, आप लोग को प्रॉब्लम्स है लैंग्वेज में एनीथिंग लास्ट वन
Yes, sir, थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है.
थोड़े बहुत
आ रही है प्रॉब्लम.
प्रॉब्लम्स हिंदी भी एक्सप्लेन करो।
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the concept of the relation. Okay, now we define the what is the proper definitions of the relations. Okay, then you can define the relation. The relation definitions. Okay, means let A and B two sets. A and B be the two sets. Okay, two sets. The relation are from A to B. Then the relation that is denoted by R from the set A to the set B is the subset of A cross A cross B, that is R is subset of A cross B. Okay, this is the relation. Okay. For examples, that is the A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B equal to A, B, C. Then if you define the R1, okay, if you define the R1, suppose this is the
1, A.
yes
1, A, 1, B, 1, C. 1, A, 1, B, 1, C.
okay, that is the you define the A, okay, that is the 1 and B, and that is the 3 and C. Then R1 with the relations. Okay, if you define the another set R2, that is the A1 and 1B and 4C. This is the relation or not? R2 is not
No sir.
okay, because R1 is subset of A cross B. Okay, this implies that R1 is a relations. Here R2 is not subset of A cross B, means R2 is not. Mean that is the simple thing of relations of the relations. इसमें अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है, okay, then we define the relation on a set. Okay, then we define the relation on a relation on a set. Okay, relation on a set. Suppose if you have a set only A, then relation from A to A. Okay, let A be a non-empty set. This is the notation of non-empty set. Okay, then the relation from the set A to itself is called a relation on the set A. Okay, this is called the. अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स होगी, यस थोड़ी हिंदी स्पीड और बढ़ाएं, स्पीड और
सर हिंदी बोलिए सर और स्पीड बढ़ा दीजिए सर दोनों।
हिंदी
ये
ओके, मैं कोशिश करूंगा बिकॉज जो मेरी प्रैक्टिस हो गई है वो इंग्लिश की हो गई है।
सब ये यूपी बोर्ड से आपको दिक्कत होगी।
द रिलेशन okay, relation from the set A to set A. Okay, अब इसकी हिंदी कैसे बोलूँ मैं, कोशिश करता हूँ। Okay, क्योंकि yes, okay, a relation on a set A itself on the that set itself is a relation. Now here future in the, for examples, let A equal to okay, means you can means in this case you can do only one set. Okay, because set is the equals. Okay, now we discuss the different types of the relations.
सर this that part sir।
Okay, types of the relations. Types of the relations. Okay. How many types of the relations? Okay. Here that is the because relation or the subset of A cross B. Okay.
Yes sir।
Now phi is also subset of A cross B.
सब फाइल तो दिमाग
Okay, phi is also relation
फाइल सबसेट होगा
and E cross Cartesian product and this is also
यस सर
okay. This is also okay. First is called the wide relation and second is called the universal relation. Okay, this is the wide relation and second is the universal relation. And next is the identity relations. Identity ये आइडेंटिटी रिलेशन की क्या डेफिनेशन है? Okay, related to itself. Map to itself means let A be a non-unity set. Let A be the non-unity set. A be the non-unity set. Then the relations. Then the set denoted by A, and this is the A such that A belongs to A. Okay, this is the, it's called the identity relations.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, this relation cannot be defined on two sets.
Okay. Sorry, this is the on the set A.
Only on a single set.
Yes, single set. Okay. And this is called the identity relation on the set A. Okay. Identity relation on the set A. For examples, suppose A equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then A cross A. Now in this case, if you denote the relation, that is the 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. This is the identity relation because here A to A. Okay, first pair in this instance should be the same. That is the A and A. Okay, and this is the only related. This is the only related to itself. वो केवल self से ही related होगा. Okay, in the case of the identity relations. Okay, you cannot, if you write the here R equal to suppose 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3, and that is the 1 is the 1 and 3. Okay, then this is the, suppose this is the R1 and this is the R2. Then R2 is not identity.
Yes, sir.
In this case, okay, R1 is the identity relation and R2 is not identity. Okay. Now next is the reflexive relation. The reflexive relation okay, this is also a relation on the set. A relation on the set A is called the reflexive relation. It's called the reflexive अगर आप लोग को ये चीज़ें ज़्यादा या तो मैं एक बार इसको डिवाइड कर दूँ, चीज़ें डिफाइन मत करो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा.
सर हम रिवाइज कर दीजिए आप सर. बेटर ऑप्शन.
डिफाइन कर दो.
ना सर रिवाइज.
Only revise.
Okay.
Everyone agree? केवल only revise? Because you are here for the competitive exam.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे ये चीजें करने के लिए नहीं आए हैं आपके yes. आपके जो भी चीजें हो only revise करके मैं चीजें क्लिक कर दूँ.
क्वेश्चन पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना.
Yes. Okay. और किसी को कोई suggestions? Reflexive relation. That is the means A and A related to R. Okay, this implies also A related to A, or all A belong to A. This is the reflexive relation. And next is the symmetric relations. What will be the symmetric relation?
A comma B.
If A comma B belongs to R,
Okay.
then B comma A
That is,
belongs to R.
if you have a
Where
A
A and B belongs to
non-integral
A.
and A and B related to R, okay, and this implies that B and A related also R. Okay, that is then this also, if A is related to B, this implies that B is related to A. This is the relation. And what is, and then is the transitive. Yes.
So these all relations are defined on a single set only.
Single set. Single set. Okay, on the set A. And that is the transitive relations.
A comma B belongs to
Okay, transitive relations. What do you mean the transitive relations?
A comma B belongs to R.
Or
B comma C belongs to
and
B
A comma C belong to R. This implies that A and C belong to R.
B comma C.
B comma C.
Sorry, B comma C, or you can write that is the B and C, then A and C belong to R. This is the symmetric relations. And what do you mean the equivalence relation?
Transitive relation.
If the relation is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, then it is an equivalence relation.
That is the a relation on a set. If this is called the equivalence. If this is the reflexive, and this is the symmetric, and that is the and one thing in the transitive. Okay, when this is the we have discussed what is the concept of the relations.
Yes, sir.
Relation is nothing but if you find a interconnections or relation between the two set. Okay, and we have also that is the relation in the subset of the Cartesian products of the two set or Cartesian product. Yes.
So can direct question come from this chapter, or it is a come from combination of 2-3 chapters in JEE?
Combinations of that is the 2 or 3 chapters set relations and functions. Okay, 3 chapters. And we also discuss the different types of the relation and then come back to problems. Okay, किसी को अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम्स हो पानी की व्यवस्था नहीं है Okay, now suppose we consider the problems. Suppose the relation are examples. The relation are defined on the set. Relation are defined on the set. Set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by the relations. Okay. R equal to, this is the AB, ordered pairs of AB such that A square minus B square, okay, this is the 16th, is given by, okay, first option that is the A, 1, 1 and 2, 1, 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 2, 3, and B option that is the 2, 2 and 3, 2 कल से मैं ये सारी चीज़ें लैपटॉप पे लिख करके ले आऊँगा, टाइम से नहीं लगेगी। 3 2 and 4 2 and 2 4 and C, that is the 3 3 and 4 3 and 5 4 and 3 4. Okay, and D, that is the none of these. Okay. Here that is the set A equal to only 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. One thing in the sorry mathematics, जो भी mathematics के competitions होते हैं, एक लॉजिक बहुत important होता है, that is the P implies Q, but not Q implies not. आपको क्वेश्चन वहाँ पे डिस्कार्ड कैसे करना है, दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस। कभी कभी चीज़ें होती हैं कि सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा। ओके, अगर चीज़ें आप रिवर्स केस चलें, ओके, थ्रू द सम प्रॉपर्टीज, तो आप उसके थ्रू डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे। ओके, आपको मीन दैट इज द 4 ऑप्शंस। अगर 4 ऑप्शंस में कुछ ऐसे लॉजिक्स हैं, कुछ ऐसे प्रॉपर्टीज हैं जिसके थ्रू आप डिस्कार्ड कर सकते हैं। P implies Q, okay. For example, and not Q implies not P. You also know that a function which is the differentiable is continuous, but not continuous, not differentiable. Okay. Not differentiable, continuous, not continuous, not differentiable. Simple things. Okay. What you have done here? Relation. Okay, if any subset which is the relation, then it satisfies the property. Okay, if not satisfy the property, that is the not relation. Okay, आपको जो भी IIT JEE के एग्जाम्स हैं, okay, that is the one thing is also important management. आपको सब चीजें सब कुछ बताई गई होंगी। Okay, जो भी आप क्रैक करेंगे, okay, मे भी हो सकता है नॉलेज किसी को ज़्यादा हो, बट जो भी क्रैक करके जाता है वो क्रैकर से कैसे वो उसने क्रैक किया, इधर दिस एग्जाम्स या जो भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स होते हैं, एग्जाम्स। ओके, वन थिंग इम्प्लाइज टू, ओके, आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे, देन दिस टेक द टाइम। आप रिवर्स केस में चलिए, अभी तो कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं। ओके, यहाँ पे सेट A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and this is the relation and this is the conditions. Okay, that is the relation. This is the what is the collections of ordered pairs. Which type of the ordered pairs? Okay, a q square modulus value of a q square minus b q square less than 16. Okay, in this condition should be satisfied. Now check by the options. 1 1 not satisfied. 1 1 sorry 1 1 yes
तीन ऑप्शंस सेटिस्फाई करने हैं।
yes okay 1 1 that is this is the satisfied. Okay, and 1 2 3 this is also satisfied. Okay, yes
तो तीनों ऑप्शन सेटिस्फाई करने हैं सर।
अच्छा, तीनों satisfied है। Ordered pairs 2 2 and 4 2 and 5 3 none of these. तो इसमें कौन से ऑप्शन आ रहे हैं? That is the D. सभी satisfied है। Okay, when you take the ordered pairs, कोई भी ordered pairs लेंगे, that is the satisfied. All the conditions are satisfied. This is also satisfied. This is also satisfied. Only that is the answer is the none of these. Okay, in this case, this is the options.
Sir,
Why sir?
ये आज ना which condition is satisfying this condition, मतलब कौन सा सेट जो रिलेशन दिया ना वो satisfy कर रहा है। सर D,
Okay, none of these.
it is not satisfying the condition, वो जो आपने रिलेशन लिखा है।
Sorry, first condition is the satisfied.
हाँ, yes sir. सर ये आज ना which relation is satisfying that condition, तो सर तीनों satisfy कर रहे हैं।
Sir,
Yes.
ये क्वेश्चन ये हो सकता है which relation is not
not
satisfied.
satisfying. Not
The relation relation defined on the set
Yeah, all of
is
the-
by is given by this. Okay. Every relation, first is also satisfied, second is also satisfied, third is also satisfied.
Yes sir.
ये तीनों satisfied ही हैं और ये solution of this.
satisfied नहीं है
ये तो मतलब ही नहीं बनता सर.
मतलब ही नहीं
या तो सर all of the above होगा.
Okay, now change the question here. All of the set. Okay, just I have.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes.
ठीक है.
All sorry.
All of the above.
All of the above conditions. Okay. With that is there is no need to solve. There is no need to solve. With the help of this condition you can discard. Okay, all of the these. Yes. Now we will take the another examples. For examples, let R equal to, okay, let R equal to 1 3 and 4 2 and 2 4 and 2 3 and 3 1 be a relation on the set. Okay, be a relation on the set A equal to, that is the 1 2 3 4. The relation R is, okay, the relation R is first option reflexive, second, okay, transitive, and C is the not symmetric. And if function, okay, that is the, this is a functions. Okay, now in this case, this is the relation on the set A. Okay. Now R is the subset of, mean that is the R is subset of एक राशि. Okay, this is the subset of. Now check this is the reflexive or not. Reflexive.
no sir
1 3, sorry 4 2, which here is not. Sorry 1 1 and 2 2 and 3 3 not in this set. So this is not reflexive. Okay, means R is not reflexive. And second, transitive. Okay, now check this is the transitive or not. 1 3 1 3 belong to R and 3 1 belong to R. Sorry, 1 3 and 3 1. Sorry, this is not, means 1 1 not belong to, sorry, 1 1 is not belong to R, and so this is not transitive. Okay, this option is called. And symmetric.
No, sir. 2 comma 3 is there, but 3 comma 2 is not there. That's why it's not symmetric.
Okay, not, this is also not symmetric. And functions.
C is the right answer. That's why.
Okay, means here this is not symmetric. Okay, this option is the symmetric because this is the not reflexive, not sorry.
Sir, how we check D option? How we check D option?
D option, that is the functions.
Yes.
Okay, we fill in the function. Sorry, the next function is the special case of the relations. Okay. Okay, relations that means every elements of the domain.
Set.
Okay, so it should be related to the four domains. Okay, here that is the 1, 3,
Only single.
2, 4 and 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not a function.
Okay. In this case, you
Single
can say this is not function.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the function. किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं? यस, आप लोगों को? यस, कोशिश करता हूँ यार। क्लासेस जो बेसिक है सारी इंग्लिश की है, तो बेटा और किसी को ये प्रॉब्लम समझ में आ गई? यस। नाउ डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम्स। Let R be the real lines or be the real line means set of and consider the following subsets. ये भी जो भी क्वेश्चन में सॉल्व करा रहा हूँ उसके जे मेंस में क्वेश्चन आए हुए हैं उसी को कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग सबसेट्स ऑफ द प्लेन्स plane R plus R and this is the defined as x equal to x means ordered pairs of x y such that y equal to x plus 1 and 0 x 2 and t equal to x y ordered pair x y and x minus y each and integers, then which of the following is true? Then which of the following is true? The first option is yes is equivalence relations. Yes is an equivalence relation or but T is not. T is equivalence relations and equivalence relations on R, but yes is not. Yes is not. And C neither yes nor T. Neither yes nor T is an equivalence relations on or, and fourth option both yes and T are equivalence relations of relations on or. Okay, that is the here R is the real lines. Okay, and this is the set of real numbers, and this is the planes or class of this is the set of all Cartesian products. Okay, Then here two set are defined, set yes and set T. Okay. If you have checked the this is the yes equivalence relation, or
Sir, in second relation T, where is x and where?
integers.
From where x belongs to?
X minus y is an integers.
What is the domain of x, sir?
X
Or
belong
real
to
numbers.
or set of real numbers. Okay, this does belong
फिर
to
तो ये equivalence हो जाएगी.
okay.
T1.
Okay, now you have checked equivalence relation. Means all three conditions are satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Okay. Now in the case of the first case,
As of not relevant.
x, y, z dash, y equal to x plus 1. Okay. And here one condition is also 0x less than 2.
As is not equivalence.
Okay. Because if you write here, first we check the reflexive. Okay, means here if you write x equal to x plus 1, this is not equal. Okay, when this is not equal means we cannot take the equal things. Okay, and this is not reflexive. Yes is not reflexive.
Sir, it contains only one element, sir. है ना, sir? Sir, relation S contains only one element.
Relation yes. This is the general case. X, whatever the x belong to or set of real numbers. Okay, and this is the 0 to 1. Here x belong, here x belong to open interval 0 to 0.
Only one element.
How can we say only one element? Mean it's the set of real lines.
Finite numbers.
Okay, there are many elements. Okay, many elements and this element belong to open interval. इसके open interval में belong करेगा. Okay, you cannot find equal ordered pairs because the relation defined by this. Okay, this is not reflexive. ये reflexive नहीं है. Okay. Then P implies Q, not Q implies not P. If the equivalence relation, then all the conditions are satisfied. Mean that it are reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. If not reflexive, okay, this is not equivalence relation. Okay, now here you can apply P implies Q, but not Q implies not P. Not reflexive, not means yes, that it implies that yes is not an equivalence. Okay. इसमें आगे किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो? यस, आपको ये समझ में आ गया? दिस इज नॉट रिफ्लेक्सिव, नॉट
Last time.
okay. Yes is not reflexive. Okay, what do you mean by equivalence relation? That is the reflexive. A relation is called the equivalence if this is the reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Okay, means it reflexive, then this is the equivalence, then this is the reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Then P implies Q, not Q implies not P. अगर इसमें एक भी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है तो इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन नहीं होगा. यस, आपको सीरीज समझ में आ गई? ये आपके जो सेट थ्योरी वेक्टर रिलेशन एंड फंक्शंस, ये ज्यादा कॉन्सेप्ट बेसिस पे हैं, थोड़ा आपको चीजें ज्यादा लॉजिकल बेसिस पे हैं, इसको आपको ज्यादा करना होगा. और सेकेंड थिंग इज द एग्जाम, जो भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स होते हैं आपको नॉलेज चाहिए, बाकी ट्रिक्स भी चाहिए सॉल्व करने के लिए. ओके, ट्रिक मीन्स एक डिस्कार्ड करने का जो ऑप्शंस होता है. ओके, जैसे यहाँ पे क्या यस इज नॉट एन इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन, कितने यहाँ पे डिस्कार्ड हो गए? ओके, यस
A and D.
दिस कैंसल एंड बी इज आल्सो कैंसल. ओके, अब दो ऑप्शंस हैं.
Option is correct.
आपको एक चेक करना ही पड़ेगा कि टी का रिफ्लेक्शन सही इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन और नाउ चेक Now set yes t equal to in this is the ordered pair, this is the collections of the ordered pair, and this type of the x minus y is an integers. Okay. Now t is the subset of R cross R not. आपको एक बार ये चेक कर सकते हैं कि अगर सबसेट नहीं है then can relations. Okay, but this is the set of all real lines. Okay, in real numbers. Okay, this is the subset. Now check reflexive. Reflexive means x minus y. Okay, you can write here x minus x. That is the zero.
It is integer.
Zero is an integer. Okay, this is an okay zero. Sorry, is an okay. This is the case of the general. Okay, general because R cross R and T. There are a lot of okay. You can find a lot of the ordered pairs. But in the general case, you have checked x minus x. Okay, that is the zero and zero is an integer. Okay, this implies that t is a reflexive. Now check the symmetry. Okay, symmetry. Symmetry में क्या चेक करेंगे हम?
If x minus y is an integer, then y minus x is also a negative with the.
Okay, means if you in the symmetry we generally check A and B related to or this implies that B and A related to or. Now here you can take if you take any ordered pairs x and y and this is belong to T. Okay, and which type of the relation? Mean that is the x minus y and integers. इसके कंडीशन ओके इसमें कंडीशन सही x minus y. Now you can write y minus x or you can write this if x minus y is the integers then y minus x
Also integer.
this is also integers. Okay, this is an also integers. Now y and x it also belong to t. Okay, this is also belong to t. This implies that t is a symmetry.
T is not transitive.
Okay, t is symmetry.
T is not transitive. T is not transitive.
Now check the transitive case.
T transitive हो सकता है.
Okay. Now in this case, how do you check this is the transitive case?
Same thing. A minus B belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R. B comma C.
Okay, means if you take x and y belong to T, and that is the second y and z belong to T. What is the conditions in this case?
X comma
x
Z.
z also belongs to t.
आप लोग को कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है? लास्ट वन लैंग्वेज मेरी आवाज नहीं समझ में आ रही. आप किसको किसको लैंग्वेज की प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है? टेल मी ऑनेस्ट.
थोड़ी थोड़ी हो रही है, ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ी सी.
हिंदी बोलो. और आप लोग सभी ये आप लोग जो भी चीज़ें ऑनेस्टली बोल रहे हो कि एक्चुअली मेरी जो हैबिट है ओनली इंग्लिश की है. इवन मैं बात भी कर रहा हूँ तो आई थिंक हिंदी में बात कर बट यहाँ स्टार्ट करने के बाद चीज़ें हो जाती है. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. ओके हमें ये चेक करना है कि मैं प्रॉब्लम को रिपीट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये प्रॉब्लम्स है जिसमें कि यहाँ पे सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स, ओके, एंड देन दिस इज डिफाइन द प्लेन R cross R, that is the Cartesian product of this is the plane, and then there are two sets of events. Okay, one set yes में क्या है? This is the collections of ordered pairs. Which type of the ordered pairs? ये कैसे ordered pairs हैं? ये कंडीशन है y equal to x plus 1. जो फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं वो x हैं, जो सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं वो फर्स्ट जो फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं प्लस 1 एक ऐड, ओके, एंड वन कंडीशन इज आल्सो यस, ओके, ग्रेटर देन 0 एंड लेस देन 2. दूसरा सेट जो है t है, यहाँ पे कलेक्शन किस तरह की कलेक्शंस है? x माइनस y इज एन इंटीजर, ओके, ये इंटीजर्स है, दो सेट है. यस, आपको ये चेक करना है कि इसमें ऑप्शंस में ये है कि दोनों में इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशंस कौन से, ओके, मींस यस इज द इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन और टी टर्म. अब तक आपको दो सेट मिले, सेट यस एंड टी, ओके, एंड विच टाइप ऑफ द सेट, दैट इज द दिस इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स, ओके, एंड यू कैन आल्सो चेक, आप ये भी चेक कर सकते हो यस इज द सबसेट ऑफ R क्रॉस R, जो एक सिंपल डिफिनेशंस है रिलेशंस के, ओके, सिंपल डिफिनेशंस आप यहाँ पे एक चेक कर सकते हो कि सॉरी हमने यहाँ पे चेकिंग कर लिया कि मींस यस इज सबसेट ऑफ R क्रॉस R एंड T सबसेट ऑफ R क्रॉस R. यस इज द सबसेट ऑफ R क्रॉस R नॉट, ये इसका सबसेट होगा कि नहीं होगा? पहला सिंपल केस, yes, yes is the subset of R cross R. R is the set of real numbers. इसका सबसेट होगा yes. One, yes. आप बताओ R cross R. R is the real lines. रियल लाइन में कितने एलिमेंट्स होते हैं? हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स इन द रियल लाइन? हाउ यू कैन डिफाइन द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स? आप यही रियल लाइंस में स्टडी किए हो, दिस इज द सेट ऑफ रियल लाइंस, ओके, दिस इज द कलेक्शंस ऑफ ऑल रेशनल एंड इरेशनल नंबर्स, ओके, एंड यू आल्सो नो दैट how many infinite numbers of elements in the set? This, okay, infinite, and this R cross R infinite elements होंगे, okay. यहाँ पे yes क्या है? Only collections of this type of the collections, ये इसका सबसेट होगा, एक रिलेशन फॉर्म करेगा. अब आपको ये चेक करना है कि किस तरह के रिलेशन है, इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन है या नहीं है. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो, स्पेशली कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में आप लोग दे रहे हो, उसकी एक्चुअली जो भी वहाँ पे प्लेन है, आपको ये चेक करना है कि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग्स ऑफ दिस. कभी कभी सिंपल चीज़ें होती हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट बेसिस पे होती हैं, या आई थिंक सपोज करो कि कोई सेट यहाँ पे कर दिया, इसका सबसेट है ही नहीं, हम फिर भी टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक आप लोगों को ये चीज़ें करनी चाहिए. जो भी प्लेन है, जो भी सेट है, सबका एक अच्छा एक्सप्लेनेशन एक्सप्लेन किया गया, उसको आपको समझना होगा. आप लोग मैथमेटिक्स की कीजिए
सर. एज इज नाइदर रिफ्लेक्सिव, नाइदर सिमेट्रिक, नाइदर ट्रांजिटिव.
यस, हमने चीजें यही पे कर ली.
एस
यस. अब हमें चेक करना है इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन. इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन कब होगा? जब वो रिफ्लेक्सिव होगा, सिमेट्रिक होगा, मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ लोगों के लिए, एंड ट्रांजिटिव होगा, ओके. अगर ये तीनों होंगे तब इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन होगा. अगर इसमें एक भी कंडीशन फुलफिल नहीं किया तो इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन नहीं होगा, ओके. हर टाइम हमें क्या चेक करना है यहाँ पे? रिफ्लेक्सिव मीन्स हम चीजें जनरली हम चेक करेंगे ए एंड ए बिलोंग टू यस, ओके. बट यहाँ पे अगर सपोज करो एक जनरल केस में हमने इक्वल ले लिया, इक्वल एलिमेंट्स x इक्वल टू x इक्वल टू x प्लस 1, ये इक्वल है नहीं, नॉट सेटिस्फाइड द कंडीशंस ऑफ रिफ्लेक्सिव, रिफ्लेक्सिव नहीं है। अगर रिफ्लेक्सिव नहीं है तो इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन होगा ही नहीं, हमें अदर्स को चेक करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं।
तो सर अगर हम चेक करना चाहें तो ये तीनों ही नहीं होगा ना सर?
आप चेक कर सकते हो बाकी और चीजें, सिमेट्री और चार चीजें आपको एग्जाम में आप चेक कर
नहीं सर, जैसे अगर हमें, मैं मानता हूँ कि अगर एग्जाम में मुझे क्वेश्चन करना होता तो मैं ऐसे ही डिस्कार्ड करके कर देता, आपकी बात ठीक है सर। अगर उसमें ऑप्शन ही चेंज कर दे, वो मान लो सर एस को दे दे एस इज सिमेट्रिक, एस इज ट्रांसिटिव या एस इज रिफ्लेक्सिव, तो मैं कौन सा ऑप्शन लगाऊंगा? या नन ऑफ दीस? ये 3-4 ऑप्शन है मेरे पास
फिर
एस के लिए।
आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा, आपको ऑप्शन के अकॉर्डिंग ही चलना होगा।
हाँ तो सर उसमें मुझे ये पूछना था कि एस तो क्या ट्रांसिटिव होगा नहीं होगा, एक बार ये बता दीजिए सर।
Okay, yes, it is okay. If you take, sorry, here x belong to closed interval 0, sorry, open interval 0 to 2. Okay, and one condition y equal to x plus 1. Okay, if you take the any relation, suppose that is the only two 0 and 2. Okay, 0 and 2. Now in this case, if you take the ordered pairs, suppose if you take y equal to that is the 0.1 and this is the 1.1. Okay, this is also belong to set. Yes,
sir, good.
Okay. Now if you take another set, okay, 0 points. Sorry, 1.1. 1.1, then this is the 2 points. 2.1. This is not belong to this. Okay, इसमें belong भी नहीं करेगा। इसी तरह कोई सेट चीजें आप तो
ये मतलब नहीं होगा ना ट्रांसिटिव?
यस, आपको एक कंडीशन चेक करना होगा। मीन्स यहाँ पे मैंने 0.1 ले लिया और स्मॉल नंबर से ले। ओके, ये तो मैं एक एग्जांपल के थ्रू, आप एक जनरल केस में अगर आप
वहाँ पर हमसे जनरली केस पूछा है ना सर जी, तो
Yes,
हमने
general.
जनरल केस पूछा है। जब एक ही एग्जांपल सेट, अगर कोई एक भी हमें मिल जाता है कि उससे वो एग्जांपल सेट नहीं हो रहा है,
Yes.
तो हम बिना कर देंगे ना वो नहीं है ट्रांसिटिव।
यस, यहाँ पे एक्चुअली ओके, नाउ आई एम टेकिंग सम पर्टिकुलर केस, बट पर्टिकुलर केस के लिए हमें सभी सेट के लिए हम अप्लाई करना होगा। आई थिंक सी इन दिस केस दिस इज नॉट ट्रांसिटिव। ओके, दिस इज नॉट ट्रांसिटिव। ओके, ये यस इज नॉट इक्विवेलेंस। अब टी को चेक करना है, टी द इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन ऑफ, ये चीजें समझ में आई? पहले चेक करिए रिफ्लेक्सिव। यहाँ पे कंडीशन क्या है? x minus y is an integers. Okay, if you take the equal thing, then the x minus y that is the 0 and 0 is the integers. Okay, this is the general case. आपको पर्टिकुलर केस आपने यहाँ पे लिया ही नहीं था, इट इज जनरलाइज्ड केस। ओके, पर्टिकुलर केस भी
पर्टिकुलर केस को हम तब लेते हैं जब उसे गलत साबित करना हो,
गलत डिस्कार्ड करना। ओके, किस बीच को उसमें डिस्कार्ड करना हो तो उसमें पर्टिकुलर केस ले। अगर एक भी चीजें आपसे सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो
तो फिर तो नहीं हो।
ओके, सिमेट्री। ओके, सिमेट्री मींस x y, सपोज x y बिलोंग टू t। अगर बिलोंग कर रहा है तो ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड करेगा। ओके, ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड करेगा। नाउ यू कैन, सॉरी, x minus y is integers. Now you can write y minus x. If suppose this is the positive integer, then this is the negative integer. It's always this is the integers. Okay, this is the symmetry. Now check the transitive case. Okay, means x y belong to t and y belong to t. Okay, this is belong to t means what is the implied this? Is x y belong to t. It is implied that x minus y is an integer and y of z belong to t is implied that y minus z is an integer. Now question is that what about the xz? And this is also x and sorry x y z it also belong to set of this.
Add both the questions, sir.
Okay, now x sorry x z means now here means we have checked x minus z. Okay, you can write sorry x minus y. This is the integers.
Both,
Okay.
add the both the questions, sir.
You can write x minus y and plus
ये भी एक इंटीजर हो गया,
y minus z. This is the integers. Okay, with this implied that x minus z is an integers. Okay, and this is the all three conditions are satisfied. Reflexibility, the reflexive, selective and transitive, and this does t each and बैलेंस ये भी जो रिलेशन के कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं ओनली दैट इज द डिफिनेशंस ऑफ द रिलेशंस एंड टाइप ऑफ द रिलेशंस। आपको जो भी ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन फोकस करना है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए, क्योंकि आपके भी जो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम है उसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्व करना है जो भी डिफरेंट टाइप्स हैं। आप जितने प्रैक्टिस करेंगे अपनी इंटेलिजेंस की यूज़ करेंगे उतने आप चीज़ें कंफर्टेबल फील करेंगे, वैसे चीज़ें आप सॉल्व कर लेंगे। ओके, नाउ one more questions. Here, let W denote the words in the English dictionary. W denote word in the English dictionary. एक्चुअली आप लोग कौन कौन सी बुक फॉलो करते हैं? मुझे IIT JEE के बारे में डिटेल्स नहीं पता कि कौन कौन से बुक फॉलो करते हैं। मैं जो भी कुछ मटेरियल्स ले आया हूँ RD शर्मा की है, एक मेरे पास एक बुक और है NCERT की। और कौन कौन से बुक्स चीज़ें आप लोग प्रेफर करते हैं?
सर एक तो सर ने दिए ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व के लिए थ्योरी तो सर ही पढ़ा देते हैं हमें, ठीक है सर। और सर हम पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं अभी, तो IIT JEE के जो पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन हैं वो कर रहे हैं सर।
अच्छा जी,
हाँ JEE के।
ओके, मैं उसको भी देख लूँगा।
हाँ, क्योंकि सर आप मतलब जो टफ क्वेश्चन होते हैं ना सर वो आप यहाँ पर डिस्कस करेंगे तो इसी से रिलेटेड तो हमें भी लगेगा कुछ मतलब है।
ठीक, आप मुझे एक बार बता दीजिएगा जो भी होगा।
हाँ।
Here that is the English dictionary define the relation. Define the relation R by R equal to that is the x y ordered pair of x y has x y this is the belong to W cross W. The word x and y x and y have at least one letter in common. Then R is first option not reflexive symmetric and transitive. The second option, reflexive, symmetric and symmetric and not not transitive, and C option, reflexive, not transitive, not symmetric, and transitive. And D, the reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Here W denote the words in the English dictionary. Whatever the words. That define the relation far by. This is the collections of yet ordered pairs, and this is the belong to W cross W. W may be any words. Okay. The words X and Y have letters. Okay, words X and Y have at least one letter in common. Have at least one letter in common, then R is not reflexive. Then you have to first option not reflexive, symmetric. बाद में डिस्कस कर लेना. कॉन्सेप्ट सब कुछ वही है, प्रॉब्लम में सॉल्व करना है.
हाँ सर.
और चीजें कॉन्सेप्ट अलग होती हैं. मुझे टाइम लग रहा है, कल मैं लैपटॉप पे करके ले आऊँगा. ये भी आपको टाइम से ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक एंड नॉन ट्रांसिटिव, रिफ्लेक्सिव, नॉन सिमेट्रिक एंड ट्रांसिटिव, रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक. आपको ये चीजें चेक करना ना वो. Now here relation or this is defined as x, y belong to W cross W, and words x and y have at least one letter in common. Where the words x, y have at least one letter okay. And this is the ordered pairs of the words, and what is the condition in this?
एक लेटर कॉमन है, दो
एक लेटर्स कॉमन होनी चाहिए. ओके. Now check the reflexive. This is the reflexive or not?
Yes, sir.
Means you can check if you take any x and y belong to R. Okay, that is this is the collections of no ordered pairs of the word, and one letter is the commons. When you take the x and x, then all the values are common.
Yes.
Okay, in this implied that
ठीक है सर, आगे.
R is reflexive. Okay. Second symmetric. Suppose x and y belong to R. What is the meaning of this? Means one letter in the common.
हाँ, तो y x में होगा.
Now this can be implied that y and words.
belongs to a
इसमें भी एक words जो है common से होगी.
ट्रांसलेटेड नहीं होगा।
Okay, and this is the disciplined are in the symmetry. Now check the transitive. Okay, those previous. Okay, transitive. Can you find two ordered pairs of letters? Okay. एक तो कुछ पर्टिकुलर केस पा जाए हम उसके थ्रू डिस्कॉर्ड हो जाए.
पर्टिकुलर केस ही लेना पड़ेगा।
पर्टिकुलर केस ही लेना
क्योंकि ऐसे तो
पड़ेगा
बन सकता है पर बन भी नहीं सकता है।
because you cannot check all the possible subsets.
It is not
Okay.
true.
Now in this case you could take the words Delhi and Dwarka. Delhi and Dwarka. What is the common in this case? D. Okay, D the common. And we take the Dwarka and Patna.
कुछ कॉमन नहीं है।
Dwarka and Patna. What is the common in this case? A.
स्पेलिंग होती है। P-T-N-A।
Patna, Delhi the A the commons. This here A the commons and in this case D the common. Now if you take the Delhi and Patna, Delhi and Patna, then there is कोई लेटर यहाँ पे कॉमन से नहीं है.
नो सर।
Okay, no letter the common. Okay, that is the you should take the x y related to R because Delhi and Patna and this is belong to R and this is the Dwarka and Patna.
belongs to R,
Okay, this is also belong to R.
not belongs
But
to R.
okay, this is not belong to R. And this is not belong to this. Okay, that is the yes. Okay, R is not okay, this is not transitive, then in this case, reflexive, symmetric, and this is okay. कल भी मैं